Hey guys, can this day just get any more odd? Besides me not speaking up for myself today. And, my car died. I, I think it ran out of gas. Yeah, it ran out of gas. So, what I did is wait for my phone to charge. And stuff like that. And, it's somewhat charging and, this is what happens. Yeah, nothing. Absolutely nothing. So, I've been waiting here for my freaking phone to charge, or we were just gonna walk across the street, because my house is basically right over there, and we were gonna try to get my car filled with gas, but yeah, I know my mom's not gonna like to hear this, so I was pulling on my parking spot, going to go get food, and my car just quit. It just went. Yes, guys, this is my camera, Mom, and yeah, it died. Yeah, for some reason the horn still works somehow, or maybe it's the electrical system. Yeah, it's the electrical system. So yeah. Um. So yeah, we're pretty much fucked right now. So yeah, I know you guys are like, but are you still gonna go to work tomorrow? Yes, I'm still gonna go to work tomorrow. Sadly, and yeah, it died, and I'm mad. Why did my car die? Why? Drive your trucking Mercedes. All these people are just looking at me being like, what are you doing? Well, I'm waiting for my phone to charge. And then somehow call Mom. Well, shit. I have no idea. Sometimes this works like a gem. Only if my shot... you know what I'm trying to say. Mother of fuckers. Great. And it says I'm low on coolant, even the fact that I drove from there to here. And my car's dead. Maybe call Ernie's. Oh wait, my phone's fucking dead. Great. Oops, I'm at a church and I said the F word. Financial. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna roll up my windows, I'm gonna turn off my car, and we're gonna walk. No, off. Off with your head, boo-boo. We're gonna walk, since my house is basically there. So we are going to go do that, because my phone is dead, and why not? So let's go on a little bit of a walk. Because my car died, and it won't move, and I'm mad. Well, not mad, but a little agitated, so yeah. So maybe my mom will help, maybe my mom won't, I really don't know, hopefully she will. And yeah, because my car is going to take forever to my phone is going to take forever to charge, so I mean, so yeah. And by the way, guys, I just made a vlog down there. I will be posting that soon, but my car just died and I'm gonna go get food and stuff like that, and I'm mad. Fuck. So Yeah, I think I locked my car. I'm not like my brother where I just leave my car unlocked like complete dumb shit. So, I mean, smart ass dumb shit. So, yeah. And see, my house is just so close. I just have to walk past these slow fuckers. And, yeah. And I know, guys, this will get a lot of views because why the heck not? So, yeah. These people hurry up. So, yeah. I'm just recording the ground right now because I don't want people to think I'm crazy. So as a result of that. So you guys, this is my development, and maybe I'll make a part 2. So yeah, guys, this is where I live, right here. I can't tell you the exact address, but yeah. But I wish my car didn't die, and it died, and I'm mad. And look, I'm walking in the middle of the road. Yippee. So, yeah. And my flashlight's not on because the last vlog that I did, my flashlight was on and I didn't know. And yeah, let's see if this works. I hate when this happens. Hopefully I don't get my car towed or anything like that. But yeah, guys, right here's my house. You guys probably haven't seen the outside of my house. This is my house, my orange house. I know, guys, my house is not abandoned. Would it be cool? House this size abandoned? Oh my lord. Oh my lord. So yeah. I don't know. I'll make part 2.